Hey guys, welcome back. Laptops, mobile phones, applications, literally everything today is just a click away. We have so many online portals which help us buy and sell stuff. Used Book Factory is one such website that helps you buy and sell used books. The man behind this is Tilak. He will be sharing with us his journey of being in the corporate as well as being a young entrepreneur. Let's get his insights.
Hi, this is Tilak. I'm the founder of Used Books Factory. It's a startup and basically an e-commerce website which connects second-hand markets in India. I was working as a software engineer close to 5 years and quit my job recently. The experience which the corporate has given me has helped me set up Used Books Factory on my own. It's been 2 years since I started Used Books Factory and it's been a great journey. Computer science major. The reason simply being I loved coding. Back when I was in 8th standard, I was taught HTML and I was fascinated by the simple code which gave great results. This is quite a tricky question, but once I joined my corporate, I guess I liked my work basically, but I didn't have the freedom to express whatever I wanted. So that's when I thought, okay, let me learn as much as possible and then start my own stuff. I think the mindset in any corporate should be to understand the basics and not finding shortcuts to find solutions. Though it takes time, I think that's the best way. There are many myths, to be honest. So one myth could be the work-life balance. It actually depends on companies to companies where you might have to work longer hours in terms of corporate. As long as you are proper in your work, I don't think you need to extend your work hours. So if you are taking the software engineer side, then you can start from being a software engineer and right till CTO, where you take all the major decisions in your company related to the technical part. I think there are many options in terms of entrepreneurship, but even when it comes to the technical aspect, that is into the corporate side where I was a software engineer, I think there are many fields wherein you can assume many roles based on your interest. So one is completely technical part where you code and stuff, other is where you manage people. It's quite difficult to understand what our work is going to be before you actually start working in the corporate. So when I stepped into my work, it was quite difficult for first 3 or 4 months, and then I understood how a corporate actually works, how our education is actually probably, I would say, migrating into how you put it into practice. I would encourage people to join internships that would give you a very good understanding of how the corporate works. Corporate, I think it's going to get more competitive because I'm just seeing the basic numbers. There are so many engineers who are being graduated. I'm not sure on how many software engineers are going to become team leads, because for a team of 10 there's going to be just one team lead. And in terms of entrepreneurship, I think there's more opportunities, because entrepreneurship is all about finding real life problems and trying to fix it. I think around 3 years would give you a good time to gauge whether you really belong here or your interests are elsewhere. Because the first year, I think you would strive hard to bag some money into your bank account, but the next 2 years would eventually tell you whether you are actually interested in this or not. I would definitely recommend my friends or anyone to follow the path of entrepreneurship, because this journey is very exciting, but I think your calculations must be right, because entrepreneurship has risks in it, whereas your corporate life is always going to be a very safe option. All budding entrepreneurs or people who are starting their careers, we really good observers. Observe what are the problems you're facing in day-to-day life and try to have some solution to fix it. People who are starting their career who want to go into corporate is to have a proper career goal, because right when you're in college, I think that's actually the time where you need to aim for a certain firm or a certain corporate company to land it. I really enjoyed this session. Good luck for your career. Cheers.
Thank you, Tilak, for that insightful conversation. I really liked how you said that you were in a corporate before to gain enough experience as well as enough financial stability to be able to start your calculated risk startup. We really wish you best with your startup. For my viewers, if you have any questions for Tilak and want to get in contact with him, you can write to us in the email ID below and we will get back to you. Check out the Usebook Factory website. The link is in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, and can't wait to see you again.